Hi everyone, this is Gregor and I'm the Product Marketing Manager at Transifex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send out an organization announcement in your account. Organization announcements usually contain more important updates or instructions, as everyone in your organization will be notified once you post them. To be able to send these out, you have to be an administrator. Now let's head over to our Transifex dashboard and click on the announcements icon on the top right. Next, we're going to click on Create Announcement and choose Organization as the type. The announcement needs to have a title and a body text. Once you've written your announcement, click on Create. Now all your collaborators across all your projects will be notified via email. Individual collaborators can also reply to the announcement by clicking the reply button in the email. And that's about it. That's how you can send out an organization announcement across all your teams. You can also learn more about announcements by clicking the link in the description below.